Mom, you called us.
Utonwa. Okay. I was watching you closely as you slept last night. Then suddenly, you started to smile in a way that made it clear to me that somebody was telling you something you were enjoying in that dream. And I know that person must be a man.
Hey.
Who is the man?
Man.
What is this? What was it? Hey! Hey! So, this is the work my father asked you to come and do. Eh? Imagine the way he was trying to, like a gorilla. Who knows who he was trying to hug in his dream? With his dirty body. So this is it. They asked you to come and work and you're sleeping. Sleeping like you don't have anything good to do with your life. Wait. Oh, let my father come and catch you.
Where is your father? I have been waiting for him for a while now.
Go back to your dreams. You will meet him there. One name. Let us go. Wait, till he comes. But wait. Are you sure you are not the one he was trying to hug in his dream? Hey! We'll wipe him out. Clean that mouth. May the gods forbid 3 times. The gods forbid. The gods forbid. The gods forbid. 3. If he tries it anywhere, I will slap madness out of his head. Chili, why you're not? Because let's go. Hey!
So, I am the one. Those children of yesterday were insulting me. It's alright. I am going to teach them a lesson they will never forget. There is no problem.
Who are you talking to? That's my name. And I'm asking you, who exactly were you talking to, or have you started seeing your forefathers?
No, it's hunger. I am very, very hungry. And I have been asking your daughters to give me food. They refuse.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you here to work? Or you actually came to eat?
I am here to eat.
You're not serious. Now, who told you you can eat when you have not done any work?
I am very, very serious. I have been working. I need to eat. I'm very, very hungry.
Sometimes I ask myself, why is it that this fool standing before me is the only one who has come to do the work? You are not competent for this work because you are weak. And I can actually say you are very stupid.
Each year, if I eat more food, I will have more strength to work.
Father. James.
Oledo, how are you? What are you looking? Food. Are you sick in the head? Give me another food. Food?
Yes.
Wait for the food.
Okay.
Shall look for the food.
Please sit down. Okay. Please tell them to make sure that the food is very, very big so that they can eat. Hey, this one is not good. Not right.
Come and eat! It's you, no! Now come back here! Useless animal! How in this world can they name this one Igobike? There's nothing Igobike in his name! Oledo! Oledo! Step on.
I'm so
Are you blind?
I'm sorry, I didn't see you coming.
What kind of rubbish is this?
Sorry.
Eh? How
Because
will you put me water?
sorry, forgive me. I did not see you coming.
Sorry for yourself. You must be very, very, very blind. How can you just be so... can't you see any other place that you pour water?
It's like you're a very angry person, oh. What is wrong with you? In fact, you're not okay. You are mad.
Me?
I poured water in my own father's company. Is that a crime?
Chineke.
I even said sorry, and you don't want to listen. Are you alright? Do you want me to call people for you and say that you're a thief? Eh? Is that what you want? Is that what are you doing here this morning? What are you doing? Thief!
Hey!
Thief! No, come and stay! Thief! See this one, oh. Who is this one? Hey!
Hey! Chere, wait. I hope he did not fall down.
I wish he fell down. Honestly, I did not see him coming. Oh. I mistakenly poured him water and I said, sorry, oh, I didn't see you. But he will not listen to me. He was just angry. He was not telling me things.
Hey, Ole, do you have mind though? Eh? I hope you know Okenwa is not as useless as his friend Igobike. Okenwa is a very hardworking man. He has different bands of yam. He has different plots of land. He trades in and out of this community. And he makes so much money from it. I hope you know that.
I don't care. Even if he's the king of this land, he got what he deserved.
Hey, wait. But what did he come here to do?
Ask me now.
As if you don't know. Maybe he came to look for that his useless friend, Igobike now. Who else?
Wait though. Biko, is it my own Igwebike that you're calling useless?
Hey,
I don't understand.
Shimo. Your Igwebike.
My Igwebike.
Oh, Nemo. One Nemo.
Is it because he comes here to work for father? Don't look at him like that though.
Go and marry him now.
Eh? Go for
Please, what color
May the
of
gods
uniform
forbid.
are we wearing that
May
day?
the gods forbid, please.
Let's go and prepare beats for that event.
No.
Why are you running? Is it not Ichie Ebube? That man is very mean. He was chasing me with a cutlass.
Cutlass, kwa?
Yes.
Nakakin, what did you do?
Nothing. I worked for him and demanded for my food, which is my reward after working for him. You know what that man did? He went inside and brought out a very sharp cutlass and started chasing me.
Hey,
I work with him.
why would he be chasing you just because he demanded for your food?
My brother, I don't know whether he thought I was looking at his ugly daughters. I will never do that. His daughters are so ugly. I hate themselves.
Igobike, did you look at his daughters?
No! I will never do that. All ladies is not my type. Even if you give me money, I will not take any of them.
Igobike, Igobike, are you sure he did not go to work for Ichie Ebube just because of his daughters?
Okay, Mwa, why are you sounding like this? You know very well that I only work for that man because of the delicious meal his daughters do prepare. Nothing else.
Igobike,
Wait.
I heard him.
Ahadege. You need help.
Okay, Nwa.
Serious help.
Okay, Nwa. I know that I need help. And the only help I need now is how to get back to work for that man.
Honestly, I don't know why I am here with you. I can't even tell what I am doing here with you. That is just the truth.
Lanya, I can't afford to lose this job. Just help me and talk to Ichie Ebube. Biko.
Igobike, were you not the one I kept on begging that you should join my business? That you will do well? I explained everything to you. Ijo, you refused.
Yes, because I love this one. I prefer doing this job. Please, just help me and talk to Ichie Ebube. That's all. Because, I can't afford to lose this job. Hey, Leia is here.
Who?
Ichie Ebube.
Greetings, Ichie Ebube.
You will live long. Ichie Ebube.
What is this useless man doing in my compound?
Ichie Ebube, Biko, Butu, calm down. Igobike has told me everything that happened.
Yes.
That is why we are here. Biko.
Ichie Ebube, please. I am really sorry for demanding for food when I would have worked and wait for my food.
You are very stupid to stand before me and pretend you don't know why I'm angry. Who told you this is all about food?
Ichebo, Biko. I am begging you myself, please. Forgive him. Forgive him and forget, please. And let him have his job back.
Listen, Igobike here can no longer work for me in this compound.
Hey.
Listen, I am already looking for somebody who will do the job.
Ichie, no, please. Ichie, please, I promise you, henceforth, I will be doing whatever you want. Please, don't give my job to another person.
I am not giving you the job because I don't trust you. I am not going to trust you to be anywhere close any of my daughters.
Ichie, I don't even like any of your daughters. They are so ugly. I don't even like that. I have nothing to do with them. I don't even have feelings for them. Your daughters are so ugly. I am sorry. It's not what you think. What I'm trying to say is I am so ugly as Udele. Your daughter can't even like me. Please. It's not what you think, Ichie. Ichie, it's not what you think.
I understand.
Okay.
Igobike. How can you tell Ichie that his daughters are ugly?
Just sit down. Sit down.
Go. Friends indeed.
Igobike! Anofia, come out! Suguneba Hopota? Hey, Igobike, why are you running like a fool? Hey, what kind of wrong was that?
Have you seen what I have been telling you? That man is very mean and wicked. If not that my chi, they are by my side. By now, that man would have cut off my head.
Was that why you ran like a woman? You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at the way you ran like a woman. For what exactly?
Okay, Nwa. So you want me to die? Okay, Nwa. You want me to wait like a man? By now my head will be rolling on the ground, right?
You go begin. Listen.
Huh?
I want to warn you. Don't ever in this life again open this same mouth TJ originated and ask me to accompany you to Ichebube's hut. Don't ever try it again. I don't want to hear it from you. Don't call me again. If you want to go there on your own.
Okay, what did I do wrong now? And when has it become a crime for me to protect myself? Yes.
Okay. Gobike, do you want to hear my own advice?
Yes, I would like to hear.
Put your hand in your ears. Gobike. Gobike. My advice is this. Leave Ichiebube's daughters alone. Hapu umu Ichiebube aka. Leave them alone.
Okay, Nwa. I don't have anything to do with any of Ichie's daughter. I only work for them so that they will give me food. That's all.
Gobike. Please, I beg you. Don't ever again in your life put me in this kind of situation again. Don't come near me. I don't want to be seen around you and those daughters.
Are you not my friend? Listen. Okay, Nwa. Come. We need to finish what we started.
Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ. Ugobike. Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ.
Ichie is a very wicked man. Matarela nwa gị.
Utonwa, I was watching you closely as you slept last night. Then suddenly, you started to smile in a way that made it clear to me that somebody was telling you something you were enjoying in that dream. And I know that person must be a man.
Hey.
Who is the man?
Man. Father.
You know exactly what I am saying. You are living under my roof and you have started to dream about a man. A man who is going to spoil you right under my nose. Who is that man?
Hey, man. Father,
Stop spreading your hand like a wish as if you don't know what I am saying. If you lie to me, I am going to drag you to Mweke's hut.
Hey.
And I'm going to have her examine you completely, and if she confirms to me that a man has tampered with you in any way, I swear to the gods, you are dead.
Father.
Who is the man?
Father.
Hey, Oledo, don't get involved in this. Shut up. Can't you see? Your sister has started to do something evil. That is why she will be sleeping. And instead of sleeping like an innocent maiden that she is, she will be dreaming about a man. Who is this man?
But you just said it yourself that it was only a dream.
A dream, oh. I can understand. So you know about this?
Hey.
That means it has been happening right under my nose.
No.
Hey.
Hey.
Who is the man?
Papa.
Tell me who this man is. who will come into your dream and is planning to start your destruction. Tell me who the man is so that I can go and cut off his manhood. I'll cut it off.
No, there's no man. I was just playing with my friend Ugebe in the dream.
Ugebe.
You're still lying.
Hey!
You're saying Ugebe because if you say Ugebe, I will relax. Who is the man of Ugebe?
Papa, there's no man. No. Confront now. Where are you going to? Leave me alone.
Asangwa. Uge boy bom. Because you. Uge bom. Uge boy bom. Obium.
What is it? What is it? Why are you following me?
Omalicha.
What is it? Is something wrong with you? Why are you stopping me like that?
Okay, but are we fighting? We are not fighting, Omalicham. Huh? I just want to know how you are doing. I want to greet you.
Take your greetings elsewhere. I do not want it. I do not need it.
Okay. I'm not. Okay, just take a look at this beautiful gift. Beautiful and expensive beads. I bought them specially for you. Balanya, look at. Just look at it. The beads are beautiful as you are.
You bought me beads?
Yes. I even wanted to add some wrappers. Just that I don't know your choice. But I am going to give you enough money so that you can get anyone for yourself.
Why are you buying me gifts?
Okay, but I am doing all this because you are the most beautiful maiden I have ever set my eyes on.
Igwebike, I will not cut you. I do not like you.
Ukebe, I don't want you to cut me. I am doing all this just to tell you thank you for being beautiful. Your beauty makes me happy. That's all.
But... What are you doing here? Hey!
Please, bring down your voice. I came here to discuss with you.
You came to discuss with me?
Yes.
About what?
Utonwa. Look at these beads. Look at it. Take.
Hey!
I bought these beautiful beads for you.
Hey!
Bring down your voice.
I have suffered.
Bring down your voice.
See, Kwebike, there is nothing in this world that will make me fall for you. Talk more of marrying you.
For who and who?
It's not possible.
Who is talking about marriage here, Utonwa? I am not interested in marrying you. I don't even like you as a wife. Eh? May the gods forbid I marry you. You are not. I don't even. No, you are too pretty to be my wife. I don't want. Yes.
Then why are you gifting me?
It's because I have noticed no man has ever bought you a gift. Yes.
It's not that no man has bought me gift before. I have been the one rejecting the gifts.
By the way, I am not here to talk about that one. I just brought you this beautiful beads just to appreciate your beauty and nothing more. Yes.
You mean you don't want anything from me?
Utonwa, I have a woman in my life I want everything from. And this same woman I am talking about here, I can do anything on earth for her. You are just beautiful, and I feel like gifting you nothing.
So, who is the woman?
Don't worry, you'll find out in the nearest future. Okay? You will love them. You will love them. I beg to take my leave now.
Why are you sneaking around?
Father, you're here?
What is it? Why are you sneaking around my house like a thief?
Father, I am not sneaking around. I am just checking. I'm checking.
Utonwa,
Yes, Papa.
should I understand this to mean you have started following men?
Men? Mbakwa. No.
It's actually written all over you. You have actually started following men. Who is the man?
Hey? Papa, I am not following any man.
Utonwa, I'm asking you. Who is this man that wants to defile my daughter?
Nam, I am saying the truth. I'm not following any man.
You know what I can do, right?
Yes, Papa.
Who is the man?
I am not following any man.
Okay. Based on what I have seen, I am now monitoring you every step of the way.
Hey.
Because I'm not going to allow any of my daughters bring disgrace to this family.
Chinekeme, where did Utonwa get such beautiful beads from? Hey! They are so colorful. Chai. I must find out who gave them to her.
Yeah. Hey.
What is it? Are you blind? Do you want to hit me with that stick?
Look around you. Look. 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 There is no one around us. Nobody is coming to your rescue. And here, I will deal with you.
What is that? You think I'm afraid of you? I am not. I'm not. Don't look at me with that eyes, oh. I have power. If you touch me.
Okay. Let me start from the little one first.
What do you want to do? Hey, don't touch me, oh. If you told me, my father will cut your head, oh. My father will cut your head off.
You think I've forgotten what you did? You made me run. You made me run like a child. Me. I will teach you a lesson here and now and today.
If you touch me, I will scream. I will scream and the whole village will gather.
Hey, no, don't scream. Shout! You need to shout very well so that they can hear you. Shout now, scream. Shout!
Don't touch me with that cane. Don't touch.
Hey! Keep running. We are even now. Gwara.
This was the bag I kept the beads. How come I am seeing stones and sticks? What is going on? This is strange. I saw the beads inside. Yes, I am sure I saw the beads inside the bag. And no one was here when I dropped the bag. I hope it is not what I am thinking. I just hope so.
Utonwa. Oledo. Yeah. What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
What is it?
Are you sure you are fine?
Do I look sick? I said I am okay.
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Every time question.
You cannot ask me anything because you did not give me anything. Yeah.
Yariba, Acharike. It has started happening, just like magic. Today is going to be wonderful.
What in the name of the gods are you smiling at?
Ogenegwa.
Eh? What is funny? Kubike, it can never be well with you. See, say.
He said.
It can never be well with you.
He said.
You will not make it in this life.
He said.
So, you think you can plan evil for me? But I'm here to tell you that you will not succeed. Because my chi is always ready to protect me against every charm you've done for me.
I just don't understand what you are talking about.
You don't understand?
I don't understand.
Look. Here. Take back the things you brought for me. Take them. Because my chi will always protect me. Oh. Take your evil charms.
What is going on here?
So you're acting like you don't know. Eh? You're acting like you don't know. Okay, let me tell you. The beads beats you bought for me turn into stones and sticks. Stay away from me. You know me. You know how I can be. Stay away from me. The next time I come here. The next time I come here. Okay.
The beads I bought with my own money suddenly turned into stones and sticks.
Why are you facing like a man whose wife is in labor? Okere.
Okere. You remember those beads I told you I was going to give to Utonwa?
Beads?
Yes.
The one I told you not to give to her, that she will not appreciate it.
Okere. She collected those beads from me. She was happy. Myself was also excited, planning on my next move, only for her to come back and tell me to my face that those beautiful beads suddenly turned into stones and sticks.
Hey, Gobike, what are you saying?
Okay, she told me that I was trying to use charm on her, that her chi is greater than my charm.
Wait, are you serious?
I am being serious here.
The same beads I saw with my eyes.
Okay, Nwa, you see that useless woman that sold those beads to us? She is evil. We need to go back to her hut.
Wait, hold on. You could be wait. Is it not the same bead I saw? You could be I will get to the root of this matter.
Mba.
I will get to the root of it.
Okay, Nwa. The only way to get to the root of this very problem is both of us going back to that useless woman, that useless witch that sold those beads for us. We need to go back there.
She's coming.
Utonwa, where have you been? I've been looking for you. What is wrong?
Nothing is wrong. I just wanted to be on my own.
Tell us what is wrong with you. You never can tell. We might be of help to you.
Do I look sick? I said nothing is wrong with me. I just wanted to be left alone.
But Utonwa, it's unlike you. If you have any problem, why not share with us?
Hey! Is it you that gave me problem? No, answer me. Is it you that gave me problem? Do I look trouble to you? Is it not a crime to stay on my own? No.
My own is that, you see that thing that you are hiding? It cannot be hidden forever. Tell her. Say it out so that you can be free. I've told you my own.
And wait now. Now that your sister is gone, you are my friend. Tell me what the problem is.
The problem here is that you're very mad. Because if you're not mad, you will see that I am totally okay and I want to be left alone.
She said I am mad. Just because I care for her. So, Badara, I won't ask again.
again. I'll report you to the youth. Oh.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, come. I thought they say you're a very busy man and that you're wealthy and that you go from different communities to the other threading. How come you have time to be hovering around me? Do I look like one of those traders?
Oh.
Am I owing you?
Oh, so you've been busy asking after me.
What's wrong with this one? Who is asking after you? May the gods forbid. Please, I'm not asking anybody anything about you. And I'm not interested in a very rude and always angry man like yourself.
One thing I like about you is how you look so innocent from afar until the person comes close to you.
Unfortunately, I don't like anything about you. And I don't want to have anything to do with you. Find something to do with your time.
The beads I saw you wearing. The same bead Ugobike gave to your sister. And how come that same bead turned into stones and sticks?
I don't know what you're talking about. And you did not see me with any bead.
I will tell your sister about the beads if you do not do what I will ask you to do. Meet me in my hut.
What are you doing here?
Bring down your voice.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you. I bought those beads from Nwanyuko. I want you to believe me. I'm not here to charm you.
Because I don't want to hear anything. Oh, just leave. I don't want my father to come and meet you here. Because what?
Forget about your father. I can handle him. Ichiebuba, I can handle him man to man.
Yeah. You can handle him?
Yes. Listen to me. Listen, like I said, Ichiebube can't talk to me anyhow because he knows that I am a man. I can face him man to man. I will put him in his place. Who is he? I can face him man to he can't even talk to me anyhow. Who is Ichiebube? Really, I am here for you. Utonwa. I am sorry. I came to see you, not any of your daughters. Please.
You are here to see me.
Yes.
Interesting. Sit down.
Eh? Hey.
Utonwa, does it mean you have sworn you must destroy your life? What are you doing with Ugobike?
He came to see you, Papa. He didn't come to see me, oh.
He came here to hold you. He came to see me. And you gave him audience. You started listening to him. This will be the last time I am going to warn you. Stay very far from that young man. if he comes here any other day saying he came to see me, remain inside the hut.
Yes, Papa.
If you force me to give you this warning again, Utonwa,
Move this side.
So let me take.
Okay, wait. This is your first time coming to my hut. Can you come inside with me or sit down here? Let me treat you like a queen you are.
Thank you. I want to know why you have been sending me gifts. What do you want from me?
Okay, but must I want anything from you before I will send you gift? Must I? You are a very beautiful maiden and I love your smile. That is why I am sending you all those gifts.
Okay. I heard you don't have money. So where have you been getting all the money you sent to me?
Listen, you don't know me. Okay, but you don't know me. Or is it because you always see me in Ichie's hut, working for him? Is it because of that? No! I only go to Ichie's hut to work for him because I know whenever I come there, I will see your beautiful face. That's all. Yes.
You mean you come to Ichie's hut just to see me?
Yes. Okay, I know you will be surprised to hear this. I am a very wealthy young man. Yes! Extremely wealthy. I am richer than Okenwa. Who is Okenwa? Okenwa is a nobody. Listen to me. I have farmlands. I have yam bands. I have properties scattered over the place.
Hey.
I am just doing those useless minor jobs for Ichie Ebube. Simply because I prefer hiding myself. I don't like to show off.
Let me ask you. Do you have any woman in your life?
No! Abamaka.
Okay.
I am even looking for a beautiful one to marry.
Okay, can I come and be cooking for you?
You are free. You are free.
I'm free?
Yes. Before then, let me go and show you something inside.
Okay.
Hey.
okay, but what are you doing with this never do well?
No.
What?
Ichie Bube. I will not tolerate that one. This is my hut. This is my hut.
You're still standing here.
Huh?
Get out of this place! So had it been I did not come at the time I did, you would have gone inside the hut. This your cursed hut with her. Do you know what exactly? Listen, you go be careful. Or whatever you think your name is, I came to warn you. And that is because you ran away like a fool. Let today be the very last day you are going to come into my compound for any reason to hold any discussion with any of my daughters. If I ever see you in my compound again, mark it here. Mark it here. I will kill you.
I don't even like any of your daughters. I don't. Your daughters are so ugly. As ugly as Udele. I don't even love any of them. I will never, even if you give me money, I will not marry any of them.
You know, when somebody who does not know how stupid you are listens to you, the person may feel that what you are saying is coming from your heart. They end here because you have no sense. Let me see you in my compound again. Makachileke. If I see you in my compound again, you boo me. Don't come with you.
Nonsense,
Hey! I won't say anything to you until you sit down.
I don't want to sit down. I do not wish to be here. So say what you have to say. See, I'm tired at this point. Oh. Go and tell my sister if you want to tell her.
Yeah. It's okay. I will go and see your sister later in the day.
What is wrong with you? It's not like I come here to do anything for you. I just sit all day watching you, staring at you, doing nothing.
Then why do you pretend like you don't like to be here?
I don't like to be here. I don't like you and I don't enjoy your company.
So why did you come here this early morning?
Is it not you that said I should come here every day? But you're not the one that asked me to come here every day.
That is because I want to punish you. I want to punish you by making you come here and be with me. But it is obvious that you now enjoy staying with me.
You say what? I don't enjoy your company. I don't even like you.
You don't like me. You don't like me, but your eyes says otherwise.
Biko, I don't know what you're talking about. I want to leave.
I know you like me. I know you want to stay with me. But you keep fighting it. Stop hurting yourself. Stop fighting it. Just admit it. I will be fine.
I don't like you. And I don't want to have anything to do with you.
I'm not done yet.
Do your worst.
Oledu, what are my beads doing in your possessions?
These are mine. How did you get them?
Give them to me. Give them to me, they're mine!
Yours? You saw it in my possession, so it's mine.
Oledu, are you arguing with me? Give it to me.
Okay, if it is yours, how did you get it?
My friend, my friend got them for me.
Okay, which of your friend? Ugebe.
I don't understand. Are you supposed to ask me? Give them to me!
They are mine. You can't have it.
Oledu, I will give you a resounding slap if you don't give them. Give them! Leave me! Oledu, I'm going to beat you. I will beat you. Give them to me. No more. Nambiko. Hey, Papa Biko, I'm sorry. Oh. Hey, Chief. Nambiko, I'm sorry. It was a mistake. It was a mistake, Nam. It was a mistake. It was a mistake.
We are sorry.
Hey, Nambiko. Biko, sorry. I'm sorry, Nambiko. Hey, Biko. You say what you've caused. Papa,
Father, sorry. Please forgive me.
Papa Biko, please. Biko. Nambiko. Oledu, you killed me. Oledu, you killed me. Nambiko. Nam, please. Papa Biko. Hey. Papa, please. Sorry. I'm sorry. Forgive me, Papa, please. Forgive me, please.
Father, please. Father, please.
No. Hey!
See, if you know that you don't want to see me and you stand there squeezing your face, just go home. Go.
Is that how you welcome someone into your home?
How do you mean to welcome someone who does not like to see me or who's somebody who always stand there and frown? Please go.
At least I'm here. Am I not?
See, fine. I will not tell your sister about the bead again. I will not say anything. I know you don't like to see me. Just go. Go now.
Well, my sister already knows that I'm the one that stole her beads. So that is not why I'm here.
Why are you here?
We mistakenly pushed our father to the ground while we were fighting. So I ran away.
Huh? Wait. You people pushed the Ichebube to the ground. People are finished. Abahuru, people are finished.
I know. It was a mistake. Is that not why I ran here? That's why I came to your place.
To do what? Please, I don't want you to go. Go now. See, I don't want to see, let me just tell you now, I don't want to see your ugly face around me. I don't want to see you. You're very ugly. Just go.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. And I'm not ugly. I'm very beautiful. I'm not going anywhere.
Here.
Please, I want to eat roasted cocoyam and oil. If you have ugba, put inside.
Which ugba? Which cocoyam? Because you see, I don't like this thing.
I'm not going anywhere and you cannot chase me.
I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry for the way I spoke to you. In fact, it was my sister that tricked me.
How?
She replaced all the beads with stones and sticks and now made it look like they turn into the stones and sticks.
Utonwa, have you seen it? You humiliated me. Me, Webike. Simply because I like you. Not that I wanted anything from you. I just decided to appreciate your beauty on my own. That's all.
Are you for real?
Yes! I left my businesses and come to your father, working for him, simply because I want to be seeing your beautiful face.
You have businesses?
Of course.
Hey.
Oh, you think I am poor? I am not poor. I'm a wealthy young man. I trade on cottons and clothes. I'm a wealthy man.
Eh?
Yes.
Is it true?
You can go and ask your father. Your father was even surprised when he saw me coming to work for him. Yes.
Okay. Is that why he's been suspecting you?
You are right.
Hey.
You are right. You know what? The most beautiful one. Come inside. Let me tell you more about myself.
Inside?
Yes. But I am not harmful. I don't want anything from you. Let's just go inside and sit. I will tell you more about myself.
You cannot stay here.
I am a straightforward man. Huh? Okay, at least come inside. I have some water to give you to drink. Yes, I even have roasted plantain. I am a straightforward man.
I like roasted plantain.
Yeah, you will see the roasted plantain now.
Right.
So after what happened, you both have actually carried on as if nothing happened. This is the time for us to revisit that incident. And I want you both to tell me, why were you fighting? Utonwa.
Papa.
Oledo. I am asking a question and I need somebody to answer me. Why were you both fighting?
Nam, please. Nambiko, forgive us.
Yes,
it
Papa.
will never happen again.
Never. We will not do it again.
You're not.
Okay. But I still need you to tell me, why were you fighting? Why?
We were dragging something.
What were you dragging?
Nothing, Papa. Nothing. No, we're not dragging anything.
Nothing.
So after committing the sin of pushing an Ichie to the ground, something I am doing everything humanly possible to cover up because my children are directly involved, you will commit even another sin of lying to an Ichie to his face?
No, Father. No, I'll say the truth.
Yes, what is the truth?
Hey!
What is it?
My tummy!
What's wrong with your tummy?
Nam!
Your tummy what?
My tummy is smelling me! Hey!
Father!
Hey, Mama?
Ewo! Nam, help me! Nam, help me! It's smelling.
He's telling you.
No. Papa, because help me, please!
Onye si ga-adara ndụ ya nwụkwa, lekwa ndụ rarama. Asị m onye si ga-adara ndụ ya nwụkwanụ, lekwa ndụ rarama.
What are we celebrating?
Oh, my brother, you are right on time.
What are we celebrating?
Okay, I am having my best life. Enjoying all the good things I have always wanted. That's what I am doing.
What do you mean?
Don't worry. You will find out soon. Not now.
Because I've come to collect my money. Please, don't tell me it's not ready.
Okay. Okay, Nwa. You are my brother. I will never lie to you. You see, there is this business I invested huge amount of money into. I am going to pay you back that your money once this my business starts paying me profits. And I am going to pay you back with interest.
What business? Igobike, I am not here for this kind of joke. You said I should come the last Eke market day, that my money will be ready. I came. It was the same story. Now you're telling me that you want to give me interest. Keep your interest. I don't want your interest. I am coming back here tomorrow. If I come here and you don't give me my money, okay,
why I am not running away with your money. I am going to pay you back your money.
Igobike, and you don't give me my money. Let me go now. Give me my money.
But I am not running away. I said I will pay you back the money with interest.
I don't want your interest. I'm coming tomorrow to collect my money. I need it for something. Abba, scream you.
Will you kill me? I've destroyed my mood.
Oledo.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Okere.
I did not see you the other day. I started to come and check so that I will know if you're okay.
I'm fine. Please, you have to leave now.
Is your father at home? I would like to greet him.
Greet my father. Please don't do this to me. Bikonu, leave. I will come to your hut later. Leave.
Jere, Butu. Okay, fine. I will leave. Well, before I leave, I want you to smile for me.
So you came all the way yet to see me smile?
Of course, yes. Yeah? Don't you know that you are very beautiful and you have a very beautiful smile? Especially when you open your eyes like that. Yeah?
Okay, start going, please. Start going. I'll come later.
You come later. Let me now tell you another one. there is nobody in this community that would not like to be with a beautiful girl like you.
Okay, thank you. I've heard you. Just go. Go, I'll come and see you later.
Are you sure? Oh. Ichebube, greetings.
Father, welcome. He came to look for his friend. I told him that his friend is not here. So he's leaving now.
Why are you in a hurry to leave? Come and sit down. Oledo, get him water to drink. Get him water. Sit down. Utonwa. Utonwa.
Papa.
Is your sister that hot?
Yes, Father.
Good. Call her and come with her.
Father, I swear by the gods, I did not invite him here. I have nothing to do with him.
Why will you not have anything with a young man like that? No, does it mean it is people like Igwebike that you are thinking you should have something to do with?
I don't understand, Father. I thought you want us to stay away from men.
Useless men! Why should I buy you from all men? Are you not going to be married?
What, Papa? How are we going to be married if we keep chasing all our suitors?
Useless suitors. Those are the people I've been chasing away. Those who have nothing to do with women. I mean, people that are very useless like Igubika. Otonwa, did you see the kind of man your sister brought home? Eh?
Papa, what's special about Okenwa?
Okenwa is reasonable. Okenwa is hardworking. Okenwa is a credible man of this land. And to the best of my knowledge, nobody has anything bad to say of him. That is the kind of young man I want to have as a son-in-law.
Oh.
What is oh?
I'm sorry, Papa. Sorry, Papa. Oledo, if you don't give me those bits right now, hey, you know how it is. You know now, you know, no need to tell you. You know.
What bits are you talking about? What's the problem?
Ask her! Igwebike bought beats for her and she collected them. The same Igwebike that you both used to criticize and call names from morning till night bought her gifts and she collected it.
Utonwa. Igwebike bought beats for you. And you collected it. You collected gifts from that low life, that good for nothing?
And do you know why he bought it for me? Huh? He said he just gave it to me because of likeness, ordinary likeness. And what is wrong about that?
Ordinary likeness. The water that you will not drink, don't use it to wash your face.
Hey!
If you don't want a man, don't collect gifts from him.
Abia.
It's fine, oh. If you say I should give it back to you, no problem. But we will go together and meet father and tell him everything from beginning to the end.
I'm trying to understand something here. Igwebike bought gifts for you and he said he does not want to have anything to do with you.
And she believed.
So, it has gotten to the point that you use proverbs on me. Parables. The water I cannot use to wash my eyes, I should not... See, before I close my eyes and open, Oledo, you know I will not fight you. I will beat you. I will beat you like a child that you are. What? Give me those beats.
Let's go and meet father and tell him.
2.
Let's go now.
Oledo. 3. Oledo.
manager.
Do I look like I'm here to joke with you? I asked you a question. Have you been sleeping with my friend Utonwa?
Manager, come and sit down here. I have something important I want to discuss with you.
Whatever you want to tell me, I am standing here.
Ugegbe, you see that your friend, Utonwa, she is very cheap and I don't like cheap women.
What do you mean? You bought her the exact same bead you bought for me. Are you also sleeping with her?
Ugegbe, I don't understand you. Is it because I agreed to sleep with you, you now think that I am a cheap man?
You bought beads for her. You bought her beads.
You see that your friend, Utonwa, she came here begging me. I had no choice than to settle her so that she will leave me alone. Aperimape, mba.
Igwebike,
Huh?
what do you mean by you settled her?
Ugegbe, I gave her that which you have been enjoying. Igwebike, you have been sleeping with my friend too. Let me break it down for you so that you will understand. You see your friend Utonwa, hey! Amadu Ohai, Utonwa, she does it better than you.
You will give me today. You will give me today. You will give me today. I will disgrace you here. I will disgrace you.
Ugegbe, I don't want you to disgrace me here. It will be a waste of disgrace. Take me to the village square or to the market square so that I can tell everybody outside this kingdom and inside this kingdom the way I have been giving it to you.
You will pay for this. You will pay for this.
Say, Papa,
You will pay for this.
if you pay for this, I'm going to disgrace you. Okay, but you see that very maiden called Utonwa. You dash her cowries. Nonsense. Bigo. Oya na si chanuzo. Ka anu onye ozo. Nonsense.
Okenwa. Who is this?
The man that is ready to steal your heart away.
So you want to steal my heart?
Look at me.
What makes you think so that you can steal my heart?
Never working. Never mind. Look at me. Am I not too handsome for just one man? I know that is why you keep falling in love with me over and over again.
Go away. Is that why you want to put me in trouble?
I know your father likes me. He likes me very well. And I know he will not be angry if he finds out that I like his daughter.
So you like me?
I like you. I like you very well. Very well. Is you cool?
Well, I think I like you too.
Hey! I want to be calling you Obim. Obim, there's somewhere I will take you to. I want to take you somewhere.
Where?
I'm telling you.
Try that again. May Amajo cripple you if you try that again. Just make one more step. What have I done to deserve this?
Oh, manager, please come and sit down so that you can tell me what is it. I don't like seeing you getting angry like this.
May Amadioha pen this your stupid mouth if you call me that again.
May the gods forbid.
So, hey, Kubike.
What is it?
So, you're sleeping with my friend.
Hey! They have started gossiping again with my name in this kingdom. Omalicham, Obim, don't listen to them. I wait for those people. Don't listen to them. They are enemies of our progress.
Majo, I'll strike you. May Majo, I'll strike you dead if you say that again to me. So, Kubike, everything you told me were lies. The gifts, the promises, everything were lies.
Oh, why are you talking like this, my love? Anyways, I agree. I told you small lies so that I can get inside this honey pot in between your two legs. I did not tell you lies when I told you that you are sweeter than your friend. I did not.
Hey.
Listen to me. The only lie I can remember I told you was the one I said that I am rich, which I know very well. Father shishi when I can.
You see?
I am extremely wretched. Ile manya ifuna nwoke nwụrụ anwụ.
Jerry, Yurike, so you don't have lands. You don't have lands. You don't even have businesses, as you said. Hey! Come on.
Okay.
Chimo.
Let me just ask you one question. Laya, you think this is version? In poverty. This is typical example of one door. Laya, look at it. I don't have shishi. Extremely wretched. There is no hope for me at all. I am poor.
Inapuala. Are you mad? Are you mad? You're eating Akpu. Hey! Don't lie to me. Quickly, I will make your life miserable.
I am already miserable.
I will make it more miserable in this community.
Is there any worse miserable than this?
You see yourself? I will deal with you. I'll be back. Can you bet? I will come back for you.
Whatever you sow, that's you will reap. Oh, yo. Inanuo, kwamo. Inanuo, kwamo. The word is enough. Kwamo. Inanuo, kwamo.
You must come with your people to see my people because I am pregnant for you.
You say what?
I said I am pregnant for you. Why did I even allow you to define me? What would I tell my people? What would I tell my parents? Because God will punish you. The gods will punish you.
Did you enjoy it? Yes or no? Did you? Did you enjoy it?
God will punish you.
The future father of their child. Case the gods punish you. You would hear this my small clothes. You would hear it. Leave my clothes.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
What's the meaning of this? Now,
I'm not going anywhere.
Lanya, I don't like this drama. Please leave. What is it? What's the meaning of this one?
Don't worry, you okay? Sorry. Sorry.
Oled, I'm not okay. Oh.
What is wrong with you?
Hey, I'm feeling sick, weak. I've been sleeping all day.
Sleeping, kwa?
Oh.
Sorry, oh yeah, sit. Sit, sorry.
Chimo, Utonwa, I want to discuss something with you.
Hey.
What's that?
Ugebe, please, come back later, eh? She's not feeling fine, she needs to rest, eh? Can't you see? She's weak, sit.
What is it?
I came to tell you something and I know you will listen with your ears, not your body. Whether you're feeling sick or not, you will hear me. Stay away from Igwebike. I am pregnant for him. Hey!
Hello! Oh my God.
Hey!
You're what?
Hey!
You're pregnant.
So,
You open your legs wide for that useless man to go in. Eh? So you gave yourself for that idiot to impregnate. Hey!
Hey, way! I don't care what you have to say. I have set my own pace. Stay away from him.
I am not even interested. I am not interested. I don't even want to marry him. I'm not interested because don't count me in.
Better.
Hey!
Better.
Fear!
I like that.
Hey!
Chere, not so fast, my sister. Because from everything that just happened now, Obago, you both are pregnant for him.
Shut down your mouth! Clear it! You and who is pregnant? Do I look pregnant? Do I look like Ugwegwe? Eh?
Hey, whoa!
I said shut up, you're shouting at who died? Are you mad?
Don't touch me. See, stay away from me. I am no longer interested in anything you want. Stay far away from me. I don't want to see you any longer. What is wrong with you? I said stay away from me. Can't you listen?
What is it? Okere, is somebody upset you?
Nobody upsets me. It is you I'm upset about, okay? Stay away from me. Your plans will not succeed. You think I don't know your plans? You are looking for whom to impregnate, eh? It can never be me. Read my lips. Never! Stay far away from me. I will not warn you again.
Hey. Utonwa, you are not going to make me a laughing stock in this town, because I will kill you and bury you.
Hey, Abba, please, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't do it on purpose. I'm finished though.
Of course, you are finished indeed.
Hey.
Now tell me, were you forced?
Eh?
Confirm to me that he forced you, and I will go and cut off his head.
Papa, he lied to me. He said he is wealthy and that he likes me. He could be going to never be well with you.
Shut up! Hey! Shut up, Onyomwa! Shut up, what is that? Utonwa, I actually thought you had sense. You allowed a man to use your head. A useless man like Igwebike. The same Igwebike I've been warning you that he's a useless man. Ha!
Papa, Biko, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Oh, Biko, forgive me, Papa.
You know what? Let's stand up.
I say,
Stand up! Both of you, you are taking me to the house of that he-goat.
The house. This house.
Move.
No, Papa, you say.
Move on to the whatever. This way, this way, this way. Ije, they forced me. Ije, I did not do it on purpose. They forced me.
Forced you.
They thought I was rich. They now forced me to defy them. Tell Ije the truth. Tell Ije the truth. Can you see the useless fool you allowed to come in between your legs? Can you hear the rubbish that is coming out of his mouth? I was a virgin. An innocent virgin. I don't know any woman. Hey. Tell Ije the truth.
You gonna make him and the gods punish you.
Let the gods punish you. Ije, I have accepted. I am useless. I can never be useful. I am very, very stupid. I have accepted. She said, may the gods punish you. And you said, he said, yes, there's no problem. The gods will indeed punish you. And they have already started to punish you. You see these two maidens that you defied? Two maidens you have succeeded in putting in family way. Both of them are your wives.
Father.
Hey. It's your please, I cannot. Just take them. I cannot marry this. Your wives.
You are so quiet. Look at you. Very useless man. You are.
Oledo.
hey, today is not a good day. You need to leave. Leave this very minute before my father comes back.
No. Stop using your father as an excuse. Yeah? You know your father likes me. Tell me why you are avoiding me. That is why I'm here.
See, I don't think my father likes you this very moment. Please go away, please.
You don't think your father like... okay, where's your father? I want to greet him.
Don't greet him. Just leave.
Let me greet your father. Is he not... Ichebe?
I'm warning you now. Leave before my father comes back. He's not at home. Go.
Ichebe, greetings. Greetings, Ichebe.
What are you doing here?
I came to only. Hey, Ichebe!
I want to eat roasted corn and pear, and I want it now.
Utonwa, what is it? Where do you want me to get roasted corn and pear by this time?
Do I look like I care? Do I look like I care to know? I say I crave roasted corn and pear.
I am going to work.
Hey! It's like the way I've been saying it, you don't like it. You don't like it peacefully. You don't like peace at all. Hey, if I don't get corn and pear now, you see what I'm capable of.
It's all right. I will try. But just know that I should be going to work so that I can get enough money we are going to use and be eating in this house.
What's my business if you are going to work? I say I want corn and pear. The villagers will gather for us. The villagers will gather for us.
Forgot me all the Ginanya. Oh, okay, this daughter of Ichiebube. You want to kill me in my own house? It will not work for you. Before you will kill me, I will turn you back to Ichiebube. You will not kill me in this house.
Okay,
now.
Yeah. I want corn and pear, roasted one.
I am going to work.
I'm waiting for you here.
My husband, please wait.
What is it?
I'm very hungry. I want roasted cocoyam and roasted beef.
What is the meaning of this? Do you want to kill me?
What do you mean by do I want to kill you? I'm telling you that I'm hungry, that I want to eat, and you say do I want to kill you? Oh, I will go and report it to the women that you're starving your pregnant wife, so I'm going
to... You want to go and report your husband to the women of this kingdom? For what?
I'm hungry.
Have you gotten me the roasted corn and pear I requested for?
Hey! Otago what?
You need to get what I asked him first before getting your roasted pear and corn. I'm talking to you. Where is what I asked you for? Because if you don't get me what I demanded for, I will show you what wickedness is, and you will understand what wickedness is.
So don't worry, I will try. I will try.
Huh? You will try? But you want to get me my roasted cocoyam first before getting her own. No.
See! It is a lie! Yeah? You must provide what I asked you for.
See,
any day I wake up and I don't see food in this house, I will slice you, I will roast you, and I will turn you to food.
Hey! You will not kill our husband.
You will not kill us.
Why do you want to roast our husband? What did he do to you? What is it? Why will you kill him for us?
You will kill me in this house. Oh.
See, if you know what is good for you, just shift. Because Jumper!
Hold your ears. Hold your ears! I don't want to ever see you with that Otonwa again. There is this saying that if you can show me your friends, then I will show you who you are.
Okay, Father.
Did you hear me?
Yes, Father.
In fact, I don't want to ever see you with any man again. I am going to find you a husband myself.
Father.
Shut up! Shut up! Why are you calling my name? I am going to hire a guard for you. A guard who will be following you anywhere you go. And if I should get any report that you are sighted anywhere with any man or lady, I will sell you off to the highest bidder. Did you hear me?
What is it? You don't just have sense at all. What is wrong with you? Just look at your life. Why did you allow him escape? Why? You're asking me that. Why did I allow you escape? How? Just look at your life. Look how beautiful you are.
Yet you allowed a senseless and stupid man to come between us. Now look at us.
I have seen you that has bogus and gigantic brain. How did you allow a man you have claimed to hate to get you pregnant? How?
I have always known that you're very, very senseless. I knew it. I'm not surprised. I cannot be surprised. You're senseless.
You that has a mighty brain. Or you tell me, how did we get ourselves into this nonsense in the first place? How?
You see, the only thing on my mind right now is how to deal with that man. Is how to make his life very, very useless and hopeless. That is what I am thinking right now. Hey!
How do we go about it? Udo, are you sure this man has not run away and will not come back again?
Is it not better for him? It is better for him because if he comes back here, I will kill him before it's time.
Udo, it's like you're more angry than you're supposed to. Baby, I cannot see bushmeat anywhere. Or is someone bringing it?
Yeah. Where is the corn and pear I asked you to get for me? What am I saying? Pawpaw and coconuts. How?
Oh, it's like you think we are joking. No? You feel we are joking. Because I can remember asking for roasted cocoyam and roasted bushmeat. Anyway, I'm going to forgive that. My mood has changed. I now want a ogbono soup and akpo.
These are the ones I can afford. I don't have money. And nobody will kill me in this hut. This is my house.
Hey.
This is my hut. Nobody will kill me here. These are the ones I can afford. If you don't want this one, forget about it.
Okay. Then get ready because I will drag you to the village square. You will explain to people why you cannot get us what we want.
Kajo village square.
Utonwa.
Let us start going to the village square. Because it is better to be seen as an incompetent man than to be seen as a dead man. Okay, let us go to the village.
Let me tell you, if you don't bring one,
I don't want this.
This is far from you. Provide what I asked you for. Even though you don't have peace.
I don't want peace.
You don't want peace.
I don't want peace. Look at this one now.
Okay, you don't want
if
peace.
If you're not going to eat this one,
you don't want peace.
You don't want peace.
You don't want peace.
I say you don't want peace. You don't want peace. You don't want peace. You better go and get that ogbono soup and akpo, corn and pear.
That is what I want to eat now.
What is the meaning of this?
What is that meaning of this?
Of what?
Give me my corn and pear.
Where do you want me to? Do you want me to cut my mango and go and sell it?
Yes, go sell it. Of what cheese is it? Go sell it.
Swear that you don't like it. Swear that you don't like it. No, swear now. And you also swear that you don't like it. No, really, swear that you don't like it.
We are managing it.
We are just managing
it. Remove your hands. I am going to beat somebody. I am going. Okay, let us stand here.
Oh yeah.
Obim, I'm really sorry about what happened the other day. My father has really changed since my sister got pregnant for your friend.
But I'm not my friend. I'm not like him. I'm not Igobike.
My father does not care. He believes a man will always have something in common with his friend.
Have you seen what Igobike has cost now? Igobike? Don't worry. I know how to settle this thing. I know what to do.
I don't think that will be possible, Obim. My father is planning to marry me off without my consent.
Hey, Omamekwa, that is not possible. I will never allow it to happen. Hey, it's not possible. Obim, what are you saying?
Bikon, let us run away. Let's go somewhere far that they will never find us.
Obim, don't go there. It is not wise. I'm the son of my father. Listen, I'm a man, a full-grown man. I can move very well. I cannot run away with you now or unjust me. I'll come and speak to your father. I know people that he respects. I'll come and talk to him. He will listen to me.
I just hope this works. So. Please, I don't want to be with anyone.
Obim, it will work.
To be with you forever.
I know it will work. It will work. Oh? It will work.
No! Ukere and Utonwa, come outside. Look at this. This cutlass is very sharp. Take this cutlass here and cut off my head so that you will rest. You cut off my head.
Why do you like it so easy? Why do you like things so easy? Mbakwa, why would I cut off your head like that? I need to torment you a little more so you will feel it. You will pay for your sins.
For what? What have I done wrong? Am I the only man that married more than one wife in this kingdom?
No! You are not the only man that married more than one wife. But you are the only one that slept with two good friends, so you will pay for all your life.
What's it? Shut your mouth.
My brother, please, I am begging you.
You want to kill your husband? You want to kill your husband? What is it now?
You see what your stupidity has cost? In Afia, Ewu. You see?
Okay, what? Do you want to kill our husband? If you kill him, will he take up his responsibility?
I don't know.
See, Gebenti. Let me tell you, just pray. Pray very well that Ichie Bube changes his mind. Or he ain't gonna make it. He ain't gonna make it.
My wives, go and fight for me. Go and fight Okengwa for me.
It's a guinea.
Go and fight Okengwa for me.
We should go and fight Okengwa for you.
Yes.
Hey!
Go and fight my battle.
You're a very useless man. Hey! Look at how your fellow man hit you and you spread. Hey! Hey!
You know what? Both of you are leaving my house today.
Hey! Look at you. Leave which house? Which house? Shame on you! Shameless man! Your fellow man knocked you down and you spread that. Hey! Hey!
I am going to your sister's hut to go and see that her useless husband.
Father, are you going to leave me tied up like this?
Okay, you want me to untie you. So you will have the space to move around this kingdom, doing useless things with useless men? If I should come back and you have shifted any of these ropes, Ibumi.
Father, Biko, please untie me. I swear by the gods, I'm not doing anything with any man. Please, Father, please untie me if I kill myself.
Before you do what?
Kill myself.
How do you want to do it? Do you need a cutlass? Or do you need a sharp knife? Or you want to drink the most poisonous herb? I will direct you. Nonsense. You're threatening a man like me with kill yourself. Go ahead and kill yourself. Unyala. Let me come back and you have shifted any of these ropes. Ngokungwa. Welcome. What are you doing on the ground? Stop crying like a fool. What are you doing on the ground?
Is it not the your daughter?
What happened?
Your daughter want to kill me. I am no longer interested. Please come and take her back. I don't want to marry
So
again.
you are already complaining? No, you don't need to complain yet. Why are you complaining? The children have not started to come. Calm down. Maybe when they start to come, I mean the children, you can then start to complain and it will make more sense.
Each year, both the children I don't want. You can take them whenever they come. Whenever the children, I don't want. I am no longer interested.
You see why I say you are a fool? Now when you are putting your manhood inside and out of two friends, what were you thinking? What were you thinking?
I have learned my lessons now. As it stands, I am no longer interested in this marriage. I am done. Each year, look at me. I am dying. I am dying.
Are you listening to me?
Yes.
If you die, we are going to bury you and then we are going to forget you. Get up because come with me. You have work to do.
But I'm not working. No. Each year, I'm not working. The one I work for, you have not paid me. I am not working.
What are you expecting me to pay you? What have you paid me for my daughter that is living in your house? What have you paid? Get up, my friend, and come to work.
Ichie, your brother beat me. They even throw me here. I managed to come here. Ichie, I'm not working.
Oh yeah.
Olive, who did this to you? Speak, who did this to you?
My father. He doesn't want us to be together. He doesn't want me spending time with you.
How would a father do this kind of thing to his own daughter? Huh?
Obi, please. You have to go. Go, please. I don't want you to get hurt because of me.
Olive, see, don't worry. He won't be back anytime soon. I saw him on his way.
Okay, please go. No, don't tell me, please.
No, I can't leave you like this. I have to.
He will kill us. He will kill us.
Why would your own father tie you up with this man? He's rude.
Where you live, I will live. Where you go, I will go.
Hey! That is good news. Good news.
Our husband, where are you going?
I am going for a walk. I will not be paid for. Yes.
Okay.
Ukumo.
Ukumo!
Hey!
What is it now?
What kind of question is that now? Massage her waist. You think it's easy to carry baby in your stomach?
Hey, sorry. Kubike. Ukumo.
What is it? But your father said I should come and work for him.
Massage. Let me sit down. Let me sit down. Okay, sorry. Timo.
Sorry.
Hey, sorry. Why you?
Massage her waist now. You want her to die?
I want to go to work. My in-law said I should come and work for you. Wait,
which work? And your wife is here? I'm sorry. Sorry.
Where do you want to sit?
Yeah.
Sit.
Hey!
Take it easy. Hey! Is it paining you too much?
It's paining me.
Sorry. Massage her now. Is that difficult too?
Sorry.
Now you're shouting when I was giving it to you inside this my small hut, were you not praising me?
Where what? Where you were?
When you were carrying the legs up, did I not tell you to take it easy? That my waist is fragile.
You see?
Now the product of our love.
Two of you is 1-1. Sorry. Oh.
Please bend down.
Take it easy now. Take it easy now.
I love you so much. And I will do whatever it takes in this life to make you my wife. It's a promise.
I love you too. And I'll be the happiest woman on earth if I get married to you.
So when will your father come back?
He will. I almost forgot about him. Obi, we need to leave. Leave. He will soon be back. Go, please.
Who untied you?
Nobody. I untied myself. Father, I was almost fainting.
You had the mind to untie yourself. Well, I'm going to forgive you because I came back with good news. The prince is looking for a maiden to make his wife. You are that maiden. I have already concluded you are going to marry the prince.
Father, I will not marry the prince. I will not marry the prince.
You are just sounding as if you have a choice. You are going to marry the prince. Now, that's the only reason I'm forgiving you. For disobeying me and untying yourself. Prepare your mind. You are going to marry the prince.
Just look at my life. I would have been married to the prince. But see where my stupidity and foolishness landed me. Hey!
The prince met me before. He liked me. Oh. I would have been the one he would marry to.
Clean your mouth! What makes you feel the prince would have chosen you over me?
So you think you're better than me? You feel you're better than me?
Hey! Look at this fool. So because I stooped low, so low to sleep with the same man with you, you think you can talk back at me? Eh?
Thank the gods that you know how stupid you are. Because...
Jopa. Where are you going?
Why are you running away from your responsibilities?
I am not running away. I only wanted to be someone.
You want to do what?
I wanted to greet.
Come beside.
You are going to greet you from where?
You're going to do what? Open your mouth now, you're going to do what? Did you hear that the prince wants to marry a new wife?
I would have been married to the prince
if not for listening to a stupid man like you.
See today, that thing you use in capturing our mind, you would spill it out today. Because I would have been married to the prince by now. Eh? Look at my life. Look at where I ended because of you.
Hey, what? What are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Useless man.
You say...
What did you say?
I said... She said, I am useless. I said, he said...
You're very useless.
He said...
You're useless. You open your mouth and you say,
you're useless.
You say where? You're very useless. You're useless. He say you're useless. He say, how can you say that? Say that. He said to your people. He say, Father. That's lie down there very well. Say,
that's what you say. We'll get to the gods very, very well.
Are you doing this to your husband?
Which one? Which one?
Aha. Useless man. Look at how you deprived us from being royalty.
Nonsense man.
This is your end. Waga wugo.
Obim, I don't want to marry the prince. It is you I love. It is you I want to be with.
I know. Look at it. You will not marry the prince. I will make sure of that.
What are you going to do? My father will not allow us to get married.
Listen. Forget about your father. I'll face him man to man.
Obim, let's just run away.
No.
Let's go.
I'll face your father.
What? What are you doing with my daughter?
Ichebube.
Does it mean you actually want me to kill you?
Ichebube, I love your daughter.
Father, I love him too.
And Iche, you cannot punish me for the sins of my friend. I didn't know what he was doing.
Listen to me. If you fail to stay very far away from my daughter, I swear by the gods, I will cut off your manhood. Hey! Release your hand off him immediately. Go home. Leave! I am not going to win you again. Stay far away from my daughter.
I love your daughter. And I will do anything to make her mine.
Something is actually telling you that you are a strong man. Listen to me, Okenwa. If you fail to stop, I am going to stop you before you can think out what to do. Be guided.
didn't see his bag. Where did he go to? Hey!
Even if he was traveling,
Hey!
Look at it.
Father.
If not for the young men that I positioned at strategic places around this kingdom to keep watch over this fool, he would have escaped out of this town.
Hey! Hey! So you want to run away from your responsibilities, Ekwa?
You are a very useless man.
Very, very useless.
You're very useless.
Hey!
Now listen to me. You are married. And you are married to my daughter. Stay back here and face your responsibility. If my daughter complains to me that you are not doing your job as a husband, you have me to contend with.
Thank you, Papa.
Idiot. I was not running away. I just needed a break.
Huh?
You are very stupid to stand before me to be talking about a break. You are married already and there is no break. And you are going to remain married. As far as I am concerned in this land. Utonwa,
Papa,
talk to your sister. Let her not provoke me by making the same mistake you made.
Hey, inside.
You needed
Inside!
You needed a break.
Break from what?
Aburo sons of break. So guadero.
What is Papa talking about?
Father wants me to leave the man I love and marry the prince.
Wait. Is the prince asking for your hand in marriage?
Chiri, did the prince ask you to marry him?
Yes.
Okay, but what have you done to yourself?
And what did you say? Because I don't understand why you're crying.
I don't love the prince. I'm in love with Okere and it is him I want to marry.
Hey! Are you mad?
Wait, you want to leave the prince for that Okenwa?
Chimo. Are you not tired of suffering? Are you not tired of suffering?
Let me advise you like a sister. Don't you ever make the mistake of following an ordinary man over royalty. Don't even try it.
Hey!
But I don't love him.
You are still talking.
Shut up!
Hey!
Okay. It's okay. Don't cry. See, you are going to fall in love with the prince eventually. When you start seeing gifts and all the good things that comes with royalty.
Yes.
So my sister, don't cry. You're not making any mistake at all. Have you seen the kind of man we got married to?
Is that what a man?
Very useless.
Extremely useless.
Do you want to be like us?
May the gods forbid.
Ah!
Hey!
Where is my food?
Mechanu!
Afo sabwogi bawa.
Keep quiet.
Hey! Utonwa. Utonwa mo. Let me open door for you. Hey! Utonwa. When I want to drama. I never knew I will enjoy this honey pot this hot afternoon.
And you were acting like you didn't enjoy it.
Aracha, that's because I wanted to go and work. I have 2 farmlands to cultivate today. Yes.
Damn.
Uto.
You see the way he's doing me now?
Yeah, so...
I want more.
Is it again?
I need more.
Like when you're baby, you see you need more.
Di mama. Di mama. Let's go inside. It's my turn.
Is it?
Or do you want me to bring Matt outside? See, there's fresh air. I know you enjoy it, fresh air.
No, I don't have strength. I'm dying.
You say what?
I said I am dying. I don't have any single energy.
Okay, let's go inside and finish what you started. But which one is that you don't have strength? Or do you want me to go and bring another man to come?
No! No man will touch any of my wives.
Hey! Manu, let's go inside.
Let's go.
Man, be gone. I am dying. Look. I am falling.
Yes, it's better you're dead though. Because why would you stay alive and not perform?
I don't understand.
It's better you're dead.
You have done a 1 round, so give me my own 1 round. 1-1.
I don't have any energy. There is no energy in me.
She wants 1 round. Me, I need 7 more.
I'm out again. Leave me alone.
Hey, let's finish it though.
I'm not asking for too much. Just 1. 1, oh. Let's go.
We'll finish what you started.
You will kill me.
It's not easy to marry 2 wives. So
come
and give me
you're fine. Let's go.
You're fine.
For what camera? Let's go inside. Go.
Oh yeah. Ifunanya tolato kanyi walunimo wanyo. Ifunanya milemio yo.
I need you to know that I want the best for you. Or do you want to continue to suffer like your sister? Is that what you want for yourself?
Father, I don't love the prince. I love Okenwa.
You see, when my grandfather, Okekobako, married my grandmother, he never loved her. Of course, they told me the story. But when they started to live together, not only did they become lovers, they became friends. And their love was actually a reference point. That is what I see happening between you and the prince when you both start living together. Make up your mind to marry him. I have made a very wonderful choice for you as my daughter.
But Father, my heart belongs to Okenwa.
Your heart we are talking about is your property. It doesn't belong to anybody. It belongs to you. Collect it back from Okenwa and give your heart to the prince. Because he is the one your father has chosen as your husband. Why can't you understand it and help yourself?
I don't want the prince. I don't want the prince. I want Okenwa. I don't want the prince, Father, please.
Unfortunately for you, your father is the one who will give your hand out in marriage. And the prince is the one he has decided to give you to. You need to make up your mind. Make up your mind to settle down with the prince. You will start loving him, and trust me, hey, he's going to make a very wonderful husband. Oh yeah, no girl fuma. Hey.
Oh yeah. Ifunanya tolato kanyi walunimo wanyo.
What happened? Huh?
There's something I want to discuss with you.
Let's go to my hut. Yeah? Let's go.
No, there's no need. I do not want to go to your hut.
Why?
My heart belongs to another man now, and it is him I wish to marry. I'm no longer interested in getting married to you.
Obium, look at me. Obium, Nenumanya, look at me. Just look at me.
There's no need. I do not want you coming to look for me. Don't come close to me, and don't come to my father's hut.
Obim, wait. Who is talking to you? Who is coming in between us? Who is advising you?
There is no us anymore. Aren't you listening to me?
Obim, wait. Okay, fine. Let me come and see your father. Let me come and talk to him. I'll come and see him. Anything you want me to tell him, anything you want me to do, I will.
No need. Please, don't come to my father's hut any longer.
Obim, wait.
When I look into your eyes, I see the man of my dreams. Obimo, afolongenanya. Love mo, monagi gebio.
You should be happy. Why are you crying, Oledo? I mean, you're about to be married to the prince. You should be happy.
Ha! I don't even know why she's crying. Oh, don't make me angry. Don't make me angry, Oledo. Are you not supposed to be here dancing and shouting for joy? Because the prince wants to marry you. That is what every maiden in this village wants. Why are you even crying?
But I do not love the prince. I'm in love with Okere.
Hey! Oh! Hey!
Oh! This is like saying you don't like good life. You're in love with suffering.
You love suffering. Your sister is very right. What do you even want? Do you like suffering? Do you want to be like us?
Whoa.
Bakwa, may the gods forbid.
May the gods forbid that you brought it here. I take it back to the other side. What do you mean by that? Eh?
I'm sorry. It's just that I'd rather be single.
Wait, shut up your mouth. Look at this little girl. You have the mouth to talk and you're here crying up and down.
I don't blame you. Oledo, I don't blame you. I blame myself. I blame my stupidity.
I'm sorry, sister. I don't mean to offend you or your friend here.
Okay. You have said more than enough. Ngwa, stand up and leave my husband's hut.
You see?
I said stand up and get out.
Yamokim, are you in any way asking my sister to leave my house? Napwala, are you okay?
Your sister is the one that is not okay. Why would she come to my husband's house and say nonsense? Now get out!
You say what? She's not going anywhere.
I said leave my husband's hut.
Wano, chase her now. Carry her away, let me see.
Oh.
Carry her away, let me see.
Instead of you to advise your sister to take the right steps, you are here talking to me anyhow in her presence.
And what right step did you take your own?
When
it was your turn, what right steps did you take?
You are very stupid.
You're mad.
Now get out from here.
Push her. If you stand up, if I slap you.
I said stand up from that place.
Push her, let me see.
If I touch you.
Hey!
If I touch you.
Hey!
Gosh, you will not stand up there alive.
Touch her! Touch her, let me see.
I don't blame you.
I blame you.
I don't blame you.
It's you I blame.
I don't blame you.
I blame you.
Get out.
Touch her, let me see.
I said get out.
If you stand up,
What
if you don't give me money for my new rappers, you are not going anywhere. If you like, shout from now to tomorrow.
Listen to me, Ugezu and Utonwa. I have had enough from both of you already. Both of you should go back to your parents. And Malusi.
Okay. We are ready for you. Yes. You have no idea how ready we are for you. Yes, we are. Give me money for new rappers.
I said give us money. What is it? Bring money. You have to perform your duties. What is it?
If any of you touch me again, not to talk of trying to stop me, I will beat that person until I blind your eye. Just try me. Let any of you just touch me now. Here now. Nonsense. No, just come and touch me. Come and touch me. Nonsense wife.
Did you just see that?
Go back to your parents. I am no longer interested.
Uto, I'm afraid this man is no longer scared of us. He even wanted to beat us.
He cannot do that. He will not do that. Because he knows what the women of this village will do if he tries that.
But he's no longer afraid of our threats. How do we get what we want from him now?
That is exactly what I am thinking about. We need to know who is advising him. We need to find a way and control the person.
Uto, I am thinking, what if we forget all those troubles and live happily with him?
Do your mouth. Happy with who? With that useless man? Bakwa, it can't happen. I must always find a way to frustrate him. Happy. Hey! Wow. This can never be.
Hi, Gobika.
Ichie, you are welcome.
Where's my daughter?
She went out with her co-wife.
Okay. I came to find out. Why have you not finished the work I gave you?
Ichie, I am done enslaving myself for your family just because I married your daughter. I am done with that work. Go and look for someone else to finish it.
Did I just hear you? Right?
Ichie, you can hear me very loud and clear. I said I am done with that work. I am not going to do it again. And you don't have any right to come to my hut and order me around. If you don't want me to marry your daughter again, fine. Come and take her back so that I can have my peace. I am done working for your family.
Are you the one standing this way?
I am the one.
We shall see.
Adema. Adamaro. I'm not doing it again. Adamaro. I am done enslaving myself for your family. Come and take your daughter back. I don't want. Okenwanaki, my own brother, the only man that always check out on his useless, foolish and a foolful friend. How are you doing, my good friend?
Igobike, what is it?
Okenwa, you have been avoiding me. Is it because of that little mistake that I made?
Igobike, I am not avoiding you. I have been stressed up. I am stressed. Secondly, you are married. And I know that you are busy.
Okay, talking about marriage. I heard what happened between you and Oledo.
Well, she has made her choice.
You are right. She has made her choice. Never give up. Okay, give her reasons to stand by you. Eh?
Igobike.
Eh?
Igobike. Are you the one that is talking? Or is there a spirit that is speaking through your mouth?
Okay, a lot has happened. In fact, I met an old man with so much wisdom. And this very old man has been teaching me a lot. In fact, my life is better now.
Serious?
I am telling you.
Are you serious?
I am serious. I
love it when you play around my hair. It's fine.
Okere, Utonwa, I cannot be married to 2 wives. And none of you can cook for me. I go out there and work so hard in order to get money so that both of you will eat. I will still be the one to cook in this hut.
My husband, please don't be angry. I did not know you wanted to eat. I prepared something nice for you. Let me bring it.
Please, Frank,
Okay, bye.
I love you, wife.
Hey! Betrayer, so! Hey!
Utonwa, it's right time you go back to your father so that you will not spoil my beautiful married wife.
Ah, see! Wipe your mouth! Clean down your mouth. Go to where?
Go back to your father's house. I am no longer interested in marrying you.
I am going nowhere. I will stay here and frustrate you and make your life miserable. Go to where?
Hey, Mama.
This is the food. Come on! Where's food? You want to eat? Where's food? Go and eat. Come here. Go and eat. Go and eat the food. You want to eat? Look. Hey! Hey! Betrayers. Betrayers everywhere. But it will not happen. I am here. Fully rooted. I stand gigantic. You cannot do anything. Mbano, go eat.
Utonwa. You throw my food away.
That is my name. If you want to eat, go and pick it from the floor.
Utonwa, you throw my own food away.
Bam!
You
cannot do anything.
You throw my. I want to give you
Biko, Mama, see, I will prepare another one for you. Please, I will prepare something nice for you to eat. For Biko.
What is she doing here? Huh?
Don't kill her! She's my best friend, though! Don't kill her for me! Leave her!
Is it still penning you? It's not penning you anymore. Sorry. You know that I love you.
Hey! Yes! Betrayer. Betrayers! What of you are?
Utonwa, this is it. You are going back to your father's hut today.
Ah, say!
You are leaving my hut!
You lie! I am not going anywhere. In fact, let me tell you. You think I want to stay here? I will leave. But before I leave, I will make sure that I finish you too. Finish who? Two of you! Utonwa, leave this place! Since you don't want to stay, leave! Leave and stop causing trouble. What is your problem? Come and push me now. Come and push me. Wadu, push me. Betrayers.
Go inside and pack your things now. Go inside and pack your things. You are leaving my hut today.
Okay.
Nothing will stop me from sending you back to your father's hut.
Hey.
You this wicked child. You pour me water.
That's just the beginning.
Utonwa.
That is just the beginning. Next time, I will come with pee and I'll pour it on you. I will urinate and pour it on you.
Okay. You lack peace in your heart. You lack love. You lack everything. You want everybody unhappy in this house. It will not work for you.
Are you happy? Of course I am happy. How?
Utonwa.
I am happy with my husband.
Utonwa, go inside and pack your things now. You are leaving my hut this minute.
See.
You are leaving here this minute.
Come and push me now. Push me. Push me now. Wano, push. Push. Push me. Push it.
Okay, Wan, what are you doing here? My father could walk in any moment from now.
The only woman that made me feel alive and happy. The only one whom I think about always. The one whose thoughts always put a smile on my face. You've promised me, you told me by yourself that you will stand with me and fight. That you will stand with me against all odds. What changed?
I don't owe you any explanation.
Do you realize that you and I will end up miserable if you marry the prince?
What do you want me to do?
Tell your father. Tell your father you will not marry the prince. Tell him you don't love him.
You think I haven't done that? Is that what you really think?
Then fight. Let's stand up and fight. And fight for our love. Fight for what we believe in. Let's fight.
Okay, Ma, please. Don't do this. Please leave.
We need to stand up and fight for what we believe in. We need to stand up and prove to ourselves that we love each other.
If unanya tolato, can you alunimo wanyo? If unanya milemio, yo.
Go now.
Papa me rapu kamchova no bimo. Ebi funanyo nyedio, eba ukobi adio.
You are very, very stupid.
Hey! If I'm looking for my trouble in this house, oh, you are looking for my trouble,
You
oh.
are very, very
Hey!
stupid. Leaving this my hut today.
Okay.
Yes, I'm coming. Come on. Take this nonsense. Take this nonsense and back and leave my hut now.
husband,
Take this nonsense.
I am not going anywhere.
I said,
see.
What? Don't try me.
Don't touch me.
Don't try me.
Don't touch me. Take me there.
You are leaving my hut back to your father's hut.
I tell me. Hey!
What is it?
I tell me.
What is it?
I tell me.
What is going on here?
Hey!
My husband, anything woman, I don't want anything to happen to our baby.
My baby, if anything happen to my baby, if anything happen to my baby, you two will be in trouble with me. I'll tell the village that you killed my baby, Hey,
What is
See what
this?
you have done. See what you have done.
What do you mean? Were you not the one that told me that Utonwa wants to kill me and take over all my farmland? Were you not the one? What's the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this?
Let nothing happen to my friend.
You are the one. You are the one.
My baby.
Sitting down here in the very elegance of her beauty. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Today is indeed a very good day. Very good day in the sense that the prince has informed me he will be coming with his people next Eke market day. Cheer up.
Father, do you care about my happiness?
Exactly. And that is why I want you to be married to the prince.
Father, I ask because I want to know. I want to speak to your conscience, Father. I am not happy. And getting married to the prince will make me sad, angry and miserable for the rest of my life. Is that what you want from me?
Who told you that? Getting married to the prince will open up a gate of wealth to this family. It is going to bring serious respect to you as a woman. What else are you asking for? You see what I'm saying? You don't know. Make up your mind to be wife to the prince. You will bring wealth to us and you will bring respect to yourself.
I don't want the prince, father.
But he wants you. And your father want him. Make up your mind and want him too. On the next Eke market day, he will be coming with his people.
No. Please, This is the abacha you asked me to prepare. Hi. He's ready. Eat. Please make sure you finish it. Oh, Norma. You know?
And is that why you're doing your face as if I sent you on Mission Impossible?
Don't be angry. I'm just tired. Oh, bien me. Oh, finish it. Oh, it's very tasty. You know? Huh? What is it? What happened? What is it now?
Why is it smelling so awful? I didn't want to kill my baby.
But I made it the way you asked me. Even the ingredients you said I should put. I added everything just like that.
You didn't add it. How can it is?
What is going on there? What is going on there?
Jim, I'm tired. This is the third time I am preparing something for her and she's rejecting it. I am tired!
Is that why you are keeping your face like this?
Oh.
Did you know what I went through just to get this palm wine for her?
Oh.
Please go and get her whatever she requested for.
It's again.
Go inside and get her whatever she wants. I don't need her troubles in this hut.
Okay.
Chokpa. When was this palm wine tapped?
Today. I was even there when the young man came down from the palm tree.
Don't you know that freshly tapped palm wine is not good for pregnant women? I want the one they tapped overnight.
Utonwa,
Eh?
what is the problem? Utonwa, can you tell me exactly what is the problem? I just told you now that I was there when the young man came down from the palm tree and you are telling me to go and get you another palm wine. From where?
If you don't give me yesterday's palm wine, I'll not drink it.
And I said I'm not going to do it. If you are not going to drink this one here, I am not going to get you any other one except this one. Bam. What is the problem?
Bam.
What is the problem?
You said bam. Hello?
No, tell me what is the problem?
Enokwa. Ezioku.
Look, if you don't get me yesterday palm wine, I will report you too to the women, and you know what that means.
Yeah, Aro Digi. Yeah, Aro Digi.
Hey! Yala.
Let me have that. Go inside and get me my cup.
Listen.
I said you should go inside and get me my cup.
Don't stress me. Don't disturb. Don't even try it.
Oh, you want to start your own? Yeah.
Stop shouting, you're disturbing me.
do not love the prince. He treats me like one of his subjects. He does not speak to me softly. He orders me around. Is this the kind of life I will live for the rest of my life? Married to a man that just wants to marry and produce offsprings. A loveless and sad marriage, all because of wealth and respect.
I wish you two good luck. As it stands now, I can't stay here because I am very unhappy. I won't continue like this because I want to be married. Bakwa.
Omalicham, please, eh? You can't do this. This is an abomination. Okay, what do you think people will say? Huh? Lanya, I promise to make you happy. Huh? Don't go anywhere.
Uto, please don't go.
Yes.
Don't leave me here all by myself. If you go, the house will be empty without you. Bikonu. Look, we are supposed to be living as sisters, as friends, and not enemies. I know I have wronged you, but I'm sorry for betraying you. Bikonu, don't go.
I am not going because you betrayed me. I am just unhappy. I am unhappy. Because Nyeremaka.
Amanecham, because please, don't leave us. Besides, your father will not accept you back.
I am not going back to my father's house. I am going to my maternal side. They will always accept me. I am going.
Don't go.
Help me.
Where are you going with Chibundo? And this one here now is Izunna. Where are you?
Help me! Oh.
Majibundo, please don't go. Majibundo, you already. I beg her, please. Majibundo, where are you going with the little Chibundo? Where are you going with the little Chibundo?
Uto, please now.
Don't go. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Do you still love me and want to marry me?
Yes. I love you. And I cannot wait to make you my wife.
What about my father?
We'll wait. We won't give up. We will wait and keep pushing until he gives us his blessings.
What if he does not?
We keep waiting. We keep waiting because we have each other.
Obim, I love you so much and I miss you so much.
I love you too.
I am the one getting married, father. And I cannot live the rest of my life in misery just because of wealth and respect.
When did you start talking to your father in this manner? I can see that boy is teaching you to be disrespectful to your father. Right?
No, father, I'm very sorry if you feel disrespected, father. But please, I don't love the prince. It's my life we are talking about. Don't you care about my happiness?
Listen, I care about your happiness, and that is why I want you to end up with the prince. When you marry the prince, you are going to be happy. You are going to find respect. In fact, every single thing you seek, you are going to find. What an old man like me sees, seated as I'm sitting now, a child like you will not see that, even if you climb the tallest Yorogo tree in the land.
Father, I beg you. My heart belongs to Okewa. I beg you, give us your blessings, Father, please. I know you might not understand this because you did not marry out of love during your old time, but please, give Okewa and I your blessing. It is him I love. It is him my heart beats for. Please, Father.
Even as I don't want to do this, but I sincerely admire the strength of your love.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Thank you, Father.
Despite everything that happened, you both decided to stick to one another. It is on the strength of that I finally made up my mind to allow you both live together as man and wife.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Thank you, Father.
I can say that love finally won over wealth and royalty. And it is a nice thing. Based on that, I wanted to choose a date. Choose a date that you are going to arrive with your people so that we can activate the marriage proper.
Thank you, Jimmy.
It shall be well with you, my son. It shall be well with you, my daughter.
Thank you, Father.
Obuluzia na ije kwadote. Ibazia. Anya menye ka esi emi.
It's all called Jimmy.
Oh yeah. Ifunanya tolato kanyi welu nimo wanyo. Ifunanya milemio yo yo. Papa me rapo kamchoba no bimo. Ebi funanyo nyedio eba ukobi adio. Love is a thing of choice. Achotago monye nkemo. Ewo rapo mo. Kamje kulobi mo. Love mo. Monagige bio. Monagige bio. Obi mo. Monagige bio. Love mo. Monagige bio. Obi mo monagige bio. Emenu mana ebi no kamgano. Where you live, I will live. Where you go, I will go. Though we started in an awkward way, but I see myself falling deeper in love. Whatever you sow, that's you reap. Yo, yo, yo. Inanuo, kwamo. Inanuo, kwamo. The word is enough. Kwamo. Inanuo, kwamo. As you make your bed, say where you will lie on it. Cut your coat according to your size, yo. If it ain't logo, ya goes in a yo. Oh.